In this video, we will look at some of the best electric car jacks on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, E-HEELP Electric Car Jack. The E-HEELP Electric Car Jack is a versatile 3-in-1 automotive tool set designed for emergency situations, providing lifting, impact wrench, and air pump functions. The E-HEELP Electric Car Jack provides efficient and reliable support for emergency tire changes and repairs. Its multifunctionality ensures you're prepared for various roadside scenarios. 3-in-1 electric scissor jack set includes an electric impact wrench and inflator pump. Offering high stability and premium quality for vehicle emergencies, electric car jack, with a 6,600 pounds capacity, it lifts sedans and SUVs from 4.72 inches to 16.53 inches. It's easy to operate on flat surfaces, but not suitable for trucks or vehicles over 3 tons. Electric inflator pump features a 150 psi max pressure with 35 liters per minute airflow, and an LED flashlight for use in dark environments. Multifunctional design. The set includes essential tools for tire repair, and the package box doubles as a warning sign with a warning triangle. The E-HEELP Electric Car Jack is a must-have tool set for car owners, offering convenience and safety in one package. With its robust features and user-friendly design. Number 4, VEVOR Electric Car Jack. The VEVOR Electric Car Jack is a powerful 3.0-ton scissor jack kit, designed for roadside emergencies and garage repairs, perfect for sedans, SUVs, and vans. The VEVOR Electric Car Jack offers quick and reliable lifting, making it an essential tool for both roadside assistance and home garage use. Its robust design and safety features ensure a secure lifting experience. Quick lifting, lifts to maximum height in about 2 minutes, easy operation on flat surfaces, ensuring efficiency in emergencies, high stability security, automatic stop at maximum height for safety, made from heavy-duty steel for stability and reliability. Features a built-in LED light for night use and is waterproof for rainy conditions. Multiple charging options, powered via 12V cigarette lighter or car battery, comes with an 11.5-foot power cord for easy placement by any tire, includes 3 spare TUV and UL certified fuses, multifunction carrying case, organized toolbox containing the electric jack, 2 saddles, 3 spare fuses, gloves, battery clip, cigarette lighter power cable. Luminous red triangle on the case serves as a roadside warning sign. The VEVOR Electric Car Jack is an excellent choice for vehicle owners seeking a dependable and efficient lifting solution. Its comprehensive kit and user-friendly design make it a valuable asset for handling unexpected tire issues safely and swiftly. Electric Scissor Jack Kit. Number 3, FOVOW Electric Car Jack. The FOVOW Electric Car Jack is a powerful 5-ton hydraulic lifting tool, perfect for SUVs and garage use during emergencies. The FOVOW Electric Car Jack offers reliable lifting with robust safety features, making it ideal for both roadside emergencies and regular garage tasks. Its high capacity and user-centric design ensure efficiency and ease of use. Powerful design, max loading capacity, 5 tons, lifting range, 155 to 530 millimeters, power source, DC 12V lighter powered, user-friendly, LED light for easy nighttime operation, unique and fashionable design for individuality, safety features, 8 protections, short circuit protection, prevents shorts when clamps are connected. Overcharge protection, prevents battery overcharging. Over-discharge protection, safeguards battery life. Number 2, VEVOR 5-ton 12V Electric Car Jack. The VEVOR 5-ton 12V Electric Car Jack is a comprehensive kit designed for efficient tire changes and roadside repairs, suitable for SUVs and pickup trucks. The VEVOR Electric Car Jack kit provides fast and reliable lifting, making it essential for handling roadside emergencies efficiently. Its powerful impact wrench and versatile design enhance its usability across different scenarios. Portable, versatile, compact design fits easily in your trunk, suitable for various car models. LED light toolbox. Built-in LED light illuminates your workspace. Handy toolbox for storing tools. High lifting capacity, lifts up to 5 tons, 11,000 pounds. Ideal for larger vehicles like SUVs and pickups. Electric impact wrench delivers powerful 420 Nm torque, compatible with multiple tire sizes, quick lifting, raises vehicles in under a minute, perfect for emergency situations. The VEVOR 5-ton 12V electric car jack is an excellent choice for vehicle owners who need a reliable, portable solution for tire changes and repairs. Number 1. FOVOW ZS1015 Car Electric Hydraulic Jack. The FOVOW ZS1015 Car Electric Hydraulic Jack is a robust tool designed for heavy-duty automotive lifting, ideal for SUVs, vans, and larger vehicles up to 15 tons. The FOVOW ZS1015 provides powerful lifting capabilities with its high load capacity and user-friendly design. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.